Hi, I'm Art McDonald, Gray Chair Emeritus at Queen's University and 2015 Nobel Laureate in Physics. Since late March, I've been leading a talented and dedicated Canadian team from the TRIUMF Laboratory, CNL Chalk River, SNOLAB, and the McDonald Institute on an international project to develop a ventilator for the treatment of COVID-19. The MVM project has been initiated and led by Cristiano Galbiati, who was quarantined in Milan at the height of the COVID-19 crisis there. The team members include scientists from the DarkSide International Physics Experiment searching for dark matter particles. The MVM team has expertise in gas handling, electronics, software, and safety, and has consulted broadly with medical experts. The design uses a simple concept with only a small number of components and uses an open source license. We have close partnerships with Vexos and JMP Solutions in Canada and manufacturers in Italy and the United States. Industrialized versions are now being produced in Canada for final testing prior to Health Canada review. Full-scale production is planned to start in a few weeks for a federal government contract for 10,000 ventilators. It has been a privilege to work with such a skilled and hard-working group of people, all motivated by the humanitarian objective of applying their talents to save lives here in Canada and around the world.